Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get shaders in CurseForge. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here in CurseForge we have many multi-packs that we can choose from, but for the shaders themselves, then if you have the T launcher, which this video will be for, then you won't need to use this directly, but you can use their website. So from here go to Google, and to search for any shaders I'm going to search for Selders, but that's just an example that you can search many from. As you can see, there's one from CurseForge, or there's their official one. It's the exact same. So if we choose even this one, it's going to be like that. So once we download it, make sure that the version works with your Minecraft version, because for here on the T launcher we have version 1.20.1, and also make sure that you're running the Optifine version. Now from here, once you do that, you can open the folder window right here, and then from here you can go to the shaders pack, which as you can see is right there. And then from here, as you can see, we have two zip blocks, and all we have to do is download it from here. Once you download and open the zip file right here, you can see that it's right there. So what we're going to do is go back, and then from here go to the Minecraft folder. And then once we open it, we can go to the shaders pack, and then simply drag and drop the shaders right here. That's pretty much it. Now that we have it right there. Now once we open Minecraft, you can simply go to the options section, and then from here you can see the resource packs. As you can see, now we have some available that we can just open the pack folder and then play it so that they can take effect. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.